Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a really quick unboxing and in-action review and actually cooking some food in this Comfee air fryer slash toaster oven. And I do have to mention they did send this out to me for the review. So anyways, let's get straight into the unboxing and then we're gonna go cook some pizza or maybe some chicken in here to see just how well it works. All right, so while we unbox this, this is a 24-quart air fryer slash toaster oven. There's a bunch of different modes that you guys could use on this. So that's why they say it could be air fryer or toaster oven. You can even broil stuff in here. All right, so on the top here, we have some accessories that we're gonna go over in just a moment. Let's get the toaster oven out of here first. So here's the actual toaster oven. It seemed to be very protected in the box and it had plastic over it. So it came perfectly fine, no damage or anything like that. But as you guys could see, this is a pretty good size air fryer slash toaster oven. Make sure that you guys read this. There's a cable tie right here that we need to remove before using, and also remove this sticker here. And now you guys are good to go. So it's a really good looking air fryer. We're definitely gonna be taking a closer look more in the kitchen where I can actually plug it in and kind of go over some of the settings here. But for now, let's go ahead and finish the unboxing so we can get to the exciting part, which is cooking. So we have an instruction manual, we have a cookbook, a quick start guide as well. We also have some tips and tricks. So a bunch of cool stuff comes in here. So this is the grill accessory that you guys could slide in. You guys also have a removable crumb tray, the standard baking pan, which has a very heavy feel to it. So pretty good material, and it's also very easy to clean. With this, you guys could just take like a damp cloth and wipe it when it's done because this is like a non-stick pan. Also for the air fry function, they give you this little tray right here to kind of keep it off of any pans or stuff like that so the air can circulate around it. So the crumb tray is pretty easy to install. While it's unplugged and off, slide this in, and then you guys could just set the element back down. So it makes cleaning the actual inside of this just that much easier, especially if it's like dripping grease. So here are the other attachments. You guys could just slide them in on the rails. All of them kind of fit the same way for different functions. And lastly, we have the grill right here. Let's go ahead and slide that one in. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Let's go ahead and go into the kitchen and cook something so we can get a better look at this in action. All right, so here is a closer look at it in action. So we actually have some lights on this and a little screen. So right now I just turned it on and you guys could see all the modes right here that you guys could choose from. So you guys could just rotate this to kind of choose all the different functions that this has. This also has a built-in light so that you guys could see what's in here just a little bit better to make sure it's not burning. All right, so we're actually gonna be cooking a full-size pizza in this thing. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go to the pizza mode and we're just gonna press this button right here to adjust the time to whatever this pizza requires. So we're gonna need to put this to 15 minutes and now we're gonna change the temperature and we're gonna put that up to 425. So now we're just gonna press in start and it's gonna heat up extremely fast. This toaster oven actually has a pretty cool technology. I believe it's called graphene. Basically, it allows it to heat up in just 0.2 seconds. So you guys can cook an entire meal in just like 15 minutes with this thing. And then when you're done, you guys could just throw it in here at a very low temperature to keep it warm. So it's only been on for like maybe 30 seconds and I could feel the heat shooting out of here. So very impressed. You guys don't have to wait for your standard oven to preheat. It's already ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this full-size pizza in there. And I'm gonna let this run just for a little before I actually cook any food in here, just to make sure that there's nothing in there. But here's a closer look at what the top looks like, and that is why it heats up as fast as it does. All right guys, so if you're enjoying this toaster oven so far, check out the comment section down below. There's actually gonna be a few sales coming up for the next few weeks. So I'll have information to that right down there. Anyways, let's get back into the review. Alrighty, so we have a full-size pizza. We're just gonna slide it in here and we're gonna continue letting this cook. I'm just gonna adjust the time since I let this run and just put this back at 15 minutes. So easy as that. I'm gonna keep an eye on this and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. But man, this thing gets really hot. I can feel the heat from here. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. All right, it's almost done. I just wanted to show you a quick look. You guys could see the pizza has been cooked super fast. Didn't even really have to wait for this to get preheated because this heats up so fast. They say that you guys could cook up to 40% faster with this thing. Here's just a quicker look. You guys could possibly hear it sizzling right now, but that's looking really good. All right, so we're just gonna take a quick look. Looks like the bottom's all cooked. So I think we're already done. And here's another snack that I made with this Comfee toaster oven. Right now I'm making some pepperoni cheesy bread, and you guys could see this thing sizzling right now. All right, let's take a look at this. That looks tasty. Definitely pretty hot though. All right, and just a couple minutes later, I have a little snack that's very warm. All right guys, so that's about it for this review. If I had to choose a favorite thing about this, it's how many things that you guys could do with this. It kind of replaces a toaster oven, an air fryer, and oven. It's all one unit, which is super practical. I've had really good results with this as well. So that's just my really quick review of this Comfee toaster oven slash air fryer.